Hello guys, my name is Izilhar. Welcome to my channel Stay Fit Everyday. Here I am uploading all the health and fitness related videos which are healthy diet plan and workout plan. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So when we talk about the protein on our diet, chicken breast is the best and easily available source of protein in the market. Protein is important for your muscle growth and it will help to save your muscle during workout, and also it will repair your damaged tissues post-workout. So guys, let's talk about the nutrition value of the chicken breast. Each 100 gram chicken breast has almost 165 gram of calories, 31 gram of protein and 3.6 gram of fat, which is almost no fat. So guys, let's see how we can make this tasty, delicious, healthy chicken breast recipe at home. Come with me and make something healthy today. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon for the latest videos from this channel. Stay fit, stay healthy.